So hey guys, today we're gonna unbox the brand new product by ZeboZap. Is the motorized ceiling TV mount. Okay, this TV mount can be used indoors or outdoors because this is fully weatherproof. So let me just open this. It's quite heavy. It's a huge box because this is a special box by ZeboZap. Okay, let us see the back of the box first, and you can see some features, some measurements. Alright, this TV mount is suitable for TVs from 32 inches to 70 inches with the VESA size of 200 x 100, minimum to maximum of 600 x 400. So it basically covers all VESA sizes. You have a tilt function, a spin function, and also the TV comes out from the ceiling, as you know. So let me just open this. Alright, yeah, it's quite heavy, you know. It's a good product. As you can see here, it's huge, man. It's huge, and the first thing that you can see is actually the instructions manual, right? The instructions manual, and inside here you have all the things that you need to know about how to place this TV mount onto the ceiling and how to actually use the motorized function. And the special thing about this, you could actually have the use the Tuya app, right? The Tuya app, which actually controls the motion of the motor. Right, the motor of the TV. Now you could actually control the motion of the TV with your iPhone or your Android phone. Right, next, this one, okay, we have given this. This is actually the to help you drill holes on the ceiling. So you just use these marks, right? So keep that aside. This one, all right, this is the VESA mount. So you place this behind your TV. All right, the VESA mount. Right, let me just remove this. So there are two VESA mounts right here. Let me just put this here, and then here you have a cover, right? A cover. And next, let me just remove this. What do we have here? Right, it's very heavy. Okay, this is actually the motorized part of the mount. Right, it's very heavy, as you can see here. Oh, it's quite heavy, you know. It's really heavy. And the reason why it's heavy because it has a motor inside. Right, there's a motor inside here. It is running, and this is where you mount your TV, right? This part right here, okay? You actually place the screws onto the ceiling. This is where you mount it onto the ceiling, and this is where the TV drops down. So here you would mount your TV. Okay, you'll mount your TV here. Okay, you will mount your TV here, right here, and here you place this mount onto the ceiling. And then when it goes up, the TV will be up here. Okay, next, you have the remote control. So because this is a motorized system, you can actually control your TV to go up and down using this remote control. So let me show you the next feature. Okay, you have this these fittings, you know, all these fittings, some cable ties, the VESA mount right there, and as you know, this is a motorized TV mount. So there's this plug, okay, where you must use this plug to actually fix it on the ceiling. All right, so do make sure that you have a plug point somewhere near the ceiling to mount this motorized TV mount, right? So that's a bit about the things that are included. As I said, this TV mount is really high in quality, you know, all these things, okay, they are made of very solid steel, right? And it's all waterproof. Okay, it's waterproof and it can be used outdoors. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how to fix this onto the ceiling. All right, how to place this onto the ceiling and have my TV mounted on the ceiling with the motorized ZeboZap TV mount. See you guys on the next video.